What? What kind of wood you getting? Nah. Not yet. Where's William going? Oh no, that shit hurt. Bro, don't try to show up for the camera. Don't try to show up for the camera, Omar.
I'll break you in that camera.
Should we just whoop his ass?
Gracious.
Then you said toothpicks off in my phone.
Toothpicks, bro.
We're big
long
YouTubers.
The long toothpicks.
Let me see.
No.
I'm gonna do something.
I need Chris to get a fucking drink, bro. Fuck yeah.
Hey, what's up, guys? It's me, Chino, again. Today we're hanging out with the crew. You know.
We're the bad boys. The
So yeah.
You told him.
Hey, you don't want to be the prankster?
You gotta get the Hershey. You gotta get the Hershey.
They got the bootleg Hershey. They got the.
Then we get those.
No way
There's
you
no
got the
chocolate.
bootleg
Bro, you think?
Shut the fuck up.
Right here. Cameraman look like a bitch.
Hey, come show me some.
Okay. Oh hell no, that's a bootleg shit.
That's what I'm trying to tell you.
What if you go to a gas station?
I would have to sell at a gas station.
Huh?
I would have to sell at a gas station.
Yeah.
They weren't front.
Alright, so what we doing?
Hold on. What we drinking though?
What's the wood for?
We're trying to have a bonfire right now. Then later after this, we're gonna go downtown, ride around, see what we do. Yeah.
Dude. Who the fuck parked right here?
Who parked here, bro? What if my grandma had to walk?
Should we fucking whoop her ass right now?
I think. Everything. I was telling him that he won't keep the tips either, because those. That's why I don't have anything.
You dropped them, Wade? The whip of the day, bro. This is what we're whipping today. Yeah. Ain't gonna lie. So yeah. They got like multiple cars over there, ain't gonna lie. But we came here because my friend's Camaro, like, they got like the engine light on. Figure out why I got the fucking the light engine on. I think it's because of the tune. We think because of the tune, or it could be because something else. So yeah, but like, so we're just waiting out here. Well, I'm just waiting out here. What the fuck is this? So I'm just waiting out here and see what the fuck we finna do, bro. I'm so tired. I only slept for like 4 hours, 4 or 5 hours, ain't gonna lie. But yeah, I'm fucking tired as fuck though, ain't gonna lie. And right now in a little bit, I'm gonna get off and then show you all the cars they got right there. I thought they were for sale, but my homeboy said all those cars, they fucking fixed them up and shit, tune them, all that shit. I feel like going to sleep, bro. When I get back, bro, I'm gonna go to sleep. I'm so tired, bro. So yeah. But like, this is like the whip, bro. I'm whipping this bitch. I'm gonna grab the fuck out of it. No, I'm playing. I'm not gonna grab it because it's not my car. I mean, it is my car. Nope, it's not my car. So yeah. Jared's bullshitting. Pro charger.
This has got a big ass pro charger.
Vergas. But this one got a parachute in the back. Fucking parachute.
650.
Hey, reality, hold on.
No, hold on. 700 and 600.
Yeah.
650, $50. It's $50, right?
That's crazy. It's $50.
Okay. But if you flip the coin and say 100, that's a whole nother story. It's a win-win. You're still selling them, getting money. You're still gonna go get your exhaust done. You're still winning regardless.
Hey, you get 600. Nah, bro, I'm good, bro. I'm just going. I mean,
Oh.
Got wet.
You look like you want a coin flip.
Yo, is it fine if I record?
no, I don't care.
I bet. What are you picking, heads or tails?
Tails.
Tails?
Damn, I hope you win one on camera, man.
Hope so. Alright, ready? So, we're gonna do 600 if I win, 700 if you win.
Wait, what?
600 if I win, 700 if you win. Alright.
Tails.
Fuck!
Bro.
What's the number?
How you feeling, Jerry? How you feeling?
7 more Sid.
No, before he went to the restroom, before y'all came in the car, the first thing I told you, I was like, whenever he said coin flip, what went straight to your head? And he was like, tails went to my head, and boom, I was like, then it's tails.
Alright, so my brother sold his shoes. Y'all can see we won the coin flip. So he sold his shoes because he wanted to get something for his car. But I forgot what it was called. But I'm going to show y'all later. So yeah, so we just made it back. We finna eat. Well, I'm finna eat. And then we finna head to the shop. It's like 40 minutes away, I think. But I'm gonna catch y'all when we're in the way or when we at the shop. So
What's up, guys? Today I came to the Muffler shop real quick. I came to fix my 5.0 because right now it's stuck currently. As you can see, it's right there. That red one right there. I'm finna get it straight piped. I'm finna get it straight piped, and I'll let y'all know the.
can't fucking see the brother. Fucking sun's in the way. But today we're here at the Muffler shop. We're here. As y'all can see in the last clip, my brother sold some shoes to get done whatever he got to do with his car. So yeah, so we're just waiting in line. Well, we're just waiting for them to call us, and then they're gonna do the stuff, whatever they got to do to the car. I'm gonna show you the before and then the after how it sounds, and yeah. So the plans got canceled for the car, so we're going tomorrow. So tomorrow I'll pick up the camera. Pinche fantasma la verga. Oh, he disappeared. Wait. Fuck is that?
Chino! Thomas finna pick.